Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl LiaLeigh, and today I'm doing a brand new video. I want to let y'all know, first and foremost, of course, this video is being sponsored by AERYN21WIGS. I want to hope and pray that I'm saying their name correctly. I will have everything in the description. You already know this. Y'all ain't new to this. Y'all true to this. So my hair is already parted because this wig, you guys, it is not no regular schmegular degular unit wig. It is not no lace front wig. It is not, it ain't none of that, okay? First of all, I'm gonna show y'all what box everything came in. As you guys are seeing it, I am seeing it. I just literally took it out of the mailing packaging, and this is what we have. It is simple yet super sleek. It looks like a present, and it looks like something that I want to know what the goodies inside consist of. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Well, this is nice. It comes in a carrier pouch. Seems like suede-ish, velvety. And the headbands come here in a separate little baggie. And then, dang, that girl, they gave your girl hella conditioner. Dang, okay, I was not expecting this at all. No, matter of fact, I'm about to open this right now because I was not expecting all of these conditioners. Okay, so are they all the same? If it is, that's cool. Like, that's what's up. I believe they all are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 full pack. Like, these aren't even sample packs. These is like some real deal full pack conditioner. And it says Burry Tea Oil Wig Deep Condition, smooth, soft, and moist for wigs and weaves. Revive your wig back to life. Okay, I thank you, AERYN21. Thank you. Now, so that's the whole thing. This is the whole thing. This is the catch with these wigs. But it's really not a catch because, of course, you're going to know what you're ordering before you order it, right? So these are the headbands that I'm going to be using with the wig. This one is nice, a nice mustard color, especially with the fall quickly approaching. I love that mustard yellow color, as well as these tropical bands. These are nice. They look exactly like the photos, which I'm very pleased with. These are tropical. We got some tropical flowers and leaves on this one, and there's the same on this one. On to the most exciting part, and this is why my hair is detangled ponytails, because your girl, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pull my hair back, of course, in some way. Comes with the wig cap, which I won't need at all. And then it gives the product description. It comes with the headband wig, my order number, my hairstyle, which is in water wave. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The cap size 1, 21.5 to 22 inches. And the cap construction is a band wig. As this wig was approaching, you know, being delivered to me, I came across a wig video just the same as this, like a band wig, headband wig, and I watched the tutorial because I was like, okay, this is like right here. I wasn't searching for it. It was right on my homepage, so I'm like, oh, let me go watch this so I could see kind of like what I'm getting myself into. And so the young lady that was doing the video, she kind of gave some good pointers on what I need to watch out for, especially because I have much more hair than she does, and I have way thicker hair than she does. I'm glad, one thing too, that I got this water wave, because your girl is going to be slicking this back. I'm probably going to put this into 2 braids back and then like kind of pin it up, because the whole thing about this wig, the front of my hair will be exposed. That is the awesome part about these wigs, because I love the natural hairline. I, you know, used to do a bunch of lace front wigs, a bunch of those, and I never truly felt comfortable with them. One, because I needed a lot more practice, and two, because at the end of the day it's a wig and it looks wiggy. I'm like, you know what, I'm just better off wearing my own hair. We have four combs, one at the front to grip, the two at the sides, and then one in like the back, of course. We also have some adjustable straps here that always come inside of a wig, which is great. And then this band, this Velcro band that you will be able to, like, well, I will be able to snap underneath. This looks like a lot going on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair back really quickly, and we can get started on this video. Crisscross these braids just so it's not too bulky on like each side. Pin them up with some bobby pins, and thank goodness I made my part a little bit straight for my two braids, because I didn't really think about the fact that I'm gonna have like a part in the middle of my head and then a wig. But it's all good. I'm gonna have to lay these edges down once the wig is on. So y'all see that little piece sticking up like a little twig. I am going to spray this wig down because she needs some little loving. She been cooped up traveling from China. And I'm gonna use some of that conditioner to bring her back to life, because that's what it's for. I only need a little bit because this is like a lot in here. I'm so happy I went with this wavy hair so it can like blend with the waviness of my own, like my natural texture of my hair. All right, let's see if this bad boy fit right, just like this. I'm not gonna adjust the adjustable straps just yet. I want to get the wig on. Let's see. Thank goodness they have these combs in here, because these are like essential. Ow. Especially for this thing not to come off. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to brush these edges back in a second. Alright, there's like a little floppiness of the strap just because the Velcro strap goes long, like the flat part goes long, and then the part that's supposed to stick to it kind of just is like shorter. So I'm gonna just tuck that. That shouldn't be too bad. I think this blends really good, especially with the fact that I have my hair in two humongous braids under here. I'm gonna fold this black band back like in half because it is a little wide, and then put this band on top of it and blend it like so. Then your girl is gonna do her edges. Let's do it with this Eco Style, because Eco Style is it don't play for my edges. It sits them right in place like I need. I could have brushed, you know what? I'm gonna slide this back really quickly and brush the Eco Style on this hair as well, so it could be extra smoothed in. I love the idea of this wig so much because I hate it when wigs look so wiggy. Like, ugh. And maybe I just feel that way because wigs are on myself, because when I see wigs on other people, I think they look amazing, especially if they're done correctly. But on me, I'm just like, no thank you. No thanks. No thanks. I'm okay. I kind of like my ears semi-tucked under headbands. Put some earrings in. This is like the easiest style throw on and go wig ever. And I could douse it a little bit more with some water or with the conditioner, but I'm totally okay with the way it looks at like right now. This reminds me so much of like the U-part wigs, but the U-part wigs I feel like were so much more difficult, especially if it didn't come like a U-part wig, or sometimes like some aspect of the U-part wig was just like not flowing well with me. I don't know what it was, but I love this wig. Oh my goodness. I have not been excited about a wig or weave in a very long time. It's just, yes, honey. And I'm gonna try on these other wig headbands, well, the other headbands, so y'all can see. You can see the wig is pretty long. Like I said, it's 20 inches. 20 inches. 20. And even like this looks good because you can't tell that the black band is doing what it's doing. Do it like this. I just wish this little strap in the back was a little bit more like, not as bulky feeling and laid flatter. That ain't nothing, because the hair being so curly, of course it's a lot easier to conceal like the lumps and bumps of my braids or anything that's going on in the back. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. This was the easiest and fastest I've ever put on a wig. Like, I don't think y'all understand. This was crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feeling about this wig, the idea of the wig, how it looks on me. Did I do good by choosing this style, like in texture of hair? The curly hair, the wavy water wave hair. I think I did a perfect job on choosing this texture with my texture and matching it. Ooh, this looks so good. I like this one too. Y'all let me know how y'all feel, because I think this is cute. This is cute. I am so happy. Thank you so much, AERYN21WIGS, for sending me this wig. Thank you so much for sending your girl, blessing your girl with this little new wig, because now your girl got a whole new look out here. Like, y'all see me in these streets, y'all just be like, girl, that look good. I like your hair, girl. Don't try to point me out telling me I got a wig on, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you have, pound dope. You already know, comment pound dope, and check out all the details in the description and order yourself a wig, honey. Ain't nobody got time for lace fronts no more. Get a straight one, get a curly one. Bless yourself.